Hello class. I'm uploading this video to give some clarity for Unit 2.5, the concept called the greatest integer function. And we have to be careful because this function, it almost looks like an absolute value function, but it's not. It's actually enclosed by brackets, okay? So the greatest integer function asks you to evaluate the function and find what x is, and it's asking you what is the greatest integer that's less than or equal to x once you've evaluated the function. So let's try an example. Let's look at A. It says g of x such that the greatest integer function of x minus 0.5, 0.5 being a half. Okay, I'm going to get a little bit closer here. All right, so we have g of negative 1.5. It wants you to evaluate it with g of x being negative 1.5. Okay, so we just plug in negative 1.5 minus 0.5. Okay, and when you plug and chug that in your calculator, you're going to get a negative 2. All right, so it's asking you what is the greatest integer function that's less than or equal to negative 2. Okay, well, the next integer that's greater than or equal to negative 2 is negative 2. Okay? All right, so let's try it again for this one. It says, let's evaluate the same function, okay, greatest integer function of x minus 0.5, where g of x is 5 over 4. Okay? So it's 5 over 4. You plug in 5 over 4 minus 0.5, okay, because that was our original function. And you're going to get 5 over 4 minus 2 over 4. I just changed 0.5 to 2 over 4. Same thing, it means 1/2. The answer we get is 3 over 4. And it wants to know what's the greatest integer function that's less than 3 over 4. What is the greatest integer that's less than 3 over 4? Okay, well, the next integer under 3 over 4 is 0. Okay? And that's how we solve greatest integer functions.